All right, so we've created our first funnel. Now, what we can do with the funnel is some of the amazing things to separate them from a website is, first of all, funnels are highly converting. They're, as you can see, focused into, in most cases, you don't need a header or links to some other steps or something else, because the idea of a funnel is to be very focused on one goal in particular. And in this case, the goal is to go from this page to go to the checkout and buy the products, buy the course in this case. So you can optimize your pages and steps in general for conversion, for more people getting from the one step, for example, to the next one to reach the goal. So one way would be, obviously, you can track it from here. The conversion, this shows how many people went from step 1, from this step, into this step. So here it will show the actual visitors and how many visitors landed to this step. If you click on the conversion rate, you'll actually see graphics here when there is more data on how many actually converted, and you can see them by day and how it actually performed. So if you want to do an A/B test and experiment with another page or another step, you can just click on A/B test, and you can duplicate the page that we currently have in this landing page, or select a completely new design. If you select the completely new design, you can obviously select one of the many different designs that we have, or start with an empty one. But for the sake of the example, let's just pick let's say this one. And just like that, we've created an A/B testing with just a few clicks, and you're currently on the A test, but you can go to the B one and it will show the new design that you have. Obviously you can hide the header here, so you can test out with this new design. You can change the images, change the texts, whatever it is, and see it might convert more. Obviously you have to change everything to fit your brand and what you're trying to achieve. And here you see the different A/B test will do like split 50-50 traffic, and you see how it actually converts, so what actually works better, and you can select the winner. So you can actually click on A/B test here. By default, it will be automatically when you reach 5,000 visitors, and the A/B tests that converts better, the A or the B, will be selected as a winner. Or you can manually anytime select the winner for your test. So you can just, let's say that you want to select this A as a winner. You select it like that, and the B test automatically disappears. But when you click, you'll see this button actually shows, and if you click on it, you'll see the actual old test that you've done, which is from today, January 1st, which is the B test, and here you'll see the conversion rate. Because we didn't have any visitors yet, it will be at 0. So this way you can do A/B testing as many times as you want, and you still keep data of how you performed in the previous tests. So you can optimize and test out different things, something that you cannot do with regular websites and platforms. Just like that, you create A/B testing. Super powerful and easy way to do all that. If you click on analytics, you see analytics about your whole funnel, all the different goals, how many reached in different days, visitors, and so on. It's really nice way to track all that information. And in sales, of course, you see more information about the sales that you have in your funnel. This is if you have sales doing in your funnel. If you have like lead generation only, obviously here you will not have any information, and you only need to see the analytics and the steps sections. This is how simple it is to do A/B testing, track conversion, and convert a lot more than a regular website. You can play around, test it out, and see how amazing the results are from using the funnels.